How to install WinSCP on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to install WinSCP on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And then once you're on your browser, you need to search for WinSCP. Once you search, you'll have the official site download link right here. You need to click on it, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, if you want to install or download, you need to just simply scroll down, and then you will have a download option right here. You need to click on download, or you can also get it from your Microsoft. You need to click on the Microsoft link, and it will give you this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with the payment method, add your payment method, and then you'll be able to buy from your Microsoft store. Or you can go back and then just simply scroll down and click on download right here. Scroll down again. Here on the right side, you will have your download will shortly start. So go with your downloads, click on it, and then go with download unverified file. And it has started the downloading process. Just wait for a few seconds. As you can see that it has been downloaded. Now you need to double click on it or click on it 2 times. And then you'll get this kind of interface. You need to minimize your browser. And then you need to go with install for all users or install for me only. So I'll just simply go with the second one. And then just scroll down, accept, and then just simply go with next. And again, click on next and click on install. And it will start the installation process. In this way, you'll be able to install WinSCP on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.